Reykjavik, Iceland. Gateway to the Northern Lights and geothermal wonders. Reykjavik, the northernmost capital in the world, is a fascinating destination blending urban charm with breathtaking natural beauty. Known as the gateway to the Northern Lights and geothermal wonders, Reykjavik attracts travelers seeking adventure, relaxation, and a glimpse into Icelandic culture. From its rich history and lively city life to its access to stunning landscapes, Reykjavik serves as the perfect base for exploring the land of fire and ice. Reykjavik, a city of culture and history. Despite its relatively small size, Reykjavik is a city bursting with culture, history, and innovation. Founded in the 9th century by Viking settlers, the city has evolved into a modern capital while maintaining deep connections to its past. Walking through the streets of Reykjavik, visitors will encounter a mix of colorful Nordic buildings, contemporary architecture, and fascinating museums. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is Hallgrímskirkja, a towering church inspired by Iceland's volcanic landscapes, offering panoramic views from its observation deck. The Harpa Concert Hall, another must-visit site, is a striking glass structure hosting concerts, art performances, and cultural events. For those interested in Iceland's Viking heritage, the National Museum of Iceland and Saga Museum provide insights into the country's early settlers, traditions, and mythology. Reykjavik is also known for its vibrant art scene, with galleries, street art, and local artisan markets scattered throughout the city. At night, the city transforms into a lively hub, with cozy cafes, craft beer breweries, and music venues offering a warm escape from the chilly Nordic weather. With its blend of history, modern design, and cultural richness, Reykjavik provides a captivating introduction to Iceland. The Northern Lights, a magical phenomenon. Reykjavik serves as a prime location for witnessing one of nature's most mesmerizing displays, the Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis. These luminous green, purple, and blue lights appear in the sky due to interactions between the Earth's atmosphere and solar particles. While the lights can sometimes be spotted from within the city, the best viewing experiences occur away from urban light pollution. Many visitors join Northern Lights tours, which venture into Iceland's countryside to increase the chances of catching this breathtaking phenomenon. The best time to see the Northern Lights is between September and April, when Iceland experiences long, dark nights. Locations such as Thingvellir National Park, Grata Lighthouse, and Reykjanes Peninsula are popular viewing spots near Reykjavik. Some tours even combine aurora hunting with hot spring bathing or midnight hikes, offering a unique way to enjoy Iceland's wilderness. Advances in aurora forecasting technology help travelers plan the best nights for viewing, making Reykjavik one of the most accessible places in the world to witness this celestial wonder. For photographers, the Northern Lights provide an extraordinary opportunity to capture nature's artistry. Local guides often share tips on camera settings and ideal exposure times to ensure visitors take home unforgettable images. Whether it's a solo traveler gazing at the shimmering sky or a couple experiencing this romantic moment together, the Northern Lights offer an unforgettable highlight of any trip to Reykjavik. Iceland's geothermal wonders. Hot springs and geysers. Iceland's location along the mid-Atlantic ridge gives it an abundance of geothermal activity, making Reykjavik an excellent starting point for exploring hot springs, geysers, and volcanic landscapes. One of the most famous geothermal attractions near Reykjavik is the Blue Lagoon, a stunning spa known for its milky blue waters rich in silica and minerals. Located about 45 minutes from Reykjavik, this world-renowned site allows visitors to bathe in naturally heated waters, enjoy rejuvenating mud masks, and even sip Icelandic beverages while relaxing in the geothermal pools. For those looking for a more natural hot spring experience, the Reykjavik Hot River is a fantastic option. A short hike through a steam-filled valley leads to a geothermal river, where visitors can soak in warm waters surrounded by stunning Icelandic landscapes. Another geothermal wonder is the Geyser geothermal area, home to Stråkr, one of the world's most active geysers, which erupts every 5 to 10 minutes, shooting hot water up to 30 meters into the air. Nearby, the Hellisheið geothermal power plant offers insight into Iceland's innovative approach to renewable energy, showing how the country harnesses geothermal power for electricity and heating. These geothermal wonders not only offer relaxation and natural beauty but also highlight Iceland's commitment to sustainability. Reykjavik itself benefits from geothermal energy, with hot water piped directly into homes, swimming pools, and heating systems, making it one of the most environmentally friendly cities in the world. Adventure activities near Reykjavik. Beyond its cultural and geothermal attractions, Reykjavik is a launching point for thrilling outdoor adventures. Due to Iceland's diverse landscape, visitors can experience glaciers, volcanoes, lava fields, and waterfalls, all within a short drive from the city. One of the most exciting activities is glacier hiking and ice caving in Langjökull Glacier, where adventurers can explore frozen tunnels and breathtaking blue ice caves. Another must-try experience is whale watching. Reykjavik's Old Harbor is home to many whale-watching tours, where travelers can see humpback whales, minke whales, and even orcas in the wild. In summer, puffin-watching tours are also popular, as thousands of these adorable seabirds nest on Iceland's cliffs. For those who prefer exploring on foot, the Golden Circle Tour offers a day trip covering Thingvellir National Park, Gullfoss Waterfall, and the Geyser Geothermal Area, three of Iceland's most famous natural attractions. For adrenaline seekers, Reykjavik provides access to volcano tours, including hikes to Fagradalsfjall, which has had recent eruptions, offering visitors the rare chance to see fresh lava fields. Those interested in unique diving experiences can explore Silfrafjörður, where crystal-clear glacial water allows divers to swim between the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates. With so many adventure options, Reykjavik is truly an outdoor enthusiast's paradise. Reykjavik, the perfect base for exploring Iceland. Reykjavik's convenient location, modern amenities, and close proximity to Iceland's natural wonders make it the ideal base for any traveler. Whether visitors seek urban culture, natural beauty, or thrilling adventures, Reykjavik offers something for everyone. The city's efficient infrastructure, English-speaking locals, and well-organized tours make it easy for travelers to explore both the city and its surrounding landscapes. Accommodation options range from luxury hotels and boutique stays to cozy guesthouses and budget-friendly hostels, catering to all types of travelers. The food scene is equally diverse, offering everything from traditional Icelandic dishes like lamb stew and fresh seafood to modern Nordic cuisine. Reykjavik's compact layout and pedestrian-friendly streets allow visitors to explore its cultural sites, cafes, and scenic waterfront with ease. For those planning a longer stay, Reykjavik serves as the starting point for road trips around Iceland, including the famous Ring Road, which circles the entire island. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended journey, Reykjavik provides a seamless blend of adventure and relaxation, making it the perfect gateway to the northern lights and geothermal wonders. Would you like recommendations on where to stay or how to plan your itinerary? Rocket